Comey indictment is already off to a very rocky start. By Robert McCoy. Interim U.S. Attorney Lindsey Halligan got a grand jury to indict former FBI Director James Comey on 2 counts. But Halligan showed her inexperience Thursday as the jurors rejected a 3rd charge and she submitted the wrong documents to the judge. It was Halligan's 4th day on the job. She was formerly Trump's personal lawyer and recently led the president's efforts to de-emphasize slavery at the Smithsonian Museums. Having never prosecuted a case before, Halligan scored the position after her predecessor failed to go after Trump's enemies with sufficient zeal for the president's liking, seemingly because of, well, sheer lack of evidence against them. Relatedly, in a memo this week, prosecutors advised Halligan not to pursue charges against Comey, citing insufficient evidence. The newcomer went it alone Thursday, as MSNBC's Ken Delanian reports that Halligan presented the Comey indictment all by herself to the grand jury, a sign that she may have a problem finding a prosecutor in office to work on the case. The indictment was also signed only by Halligan, according to the New York Times, while typically such filings are also endorsed by career prosecutors who have gathered the evidence in the case. The grand jury on Thursday voted to indict Comey on 2 of 3 counts sought by Halligan: false statements and obstructing a congressional proceeding. Halligan failed to convince 12 jurors to vote for another false statements charge, related to Comey's answers to Senator Lindsey Graham during a September 2020 hearing. Comey had replied, "That does not ring any bells with me," when asked by Graham if officials informed the FBI that Hillary Clinton's 2016 campaign was going to create a scandal regarding Trump and Russia to distract from her email scandal. After the jury rejected that charge, prosecutors presented U.S. Magistrate Judge Lindsey with an indictment with just the 2 others. But as the Washington Post reports, Halligan accidentally gave the judge both indictments Thursday evening, prompting confusion. "This has never happened before. I have been handed 2 documents with a discrepancy," Vala said. "I am a little confused why I was handed 2 things that were inconsistent." Halligan, per NBC, insisted she did not see the first document with the tossed indictment. Vala observed, "It has your signature on it."